today's problem from pair of straight line, and the problem is obtain the equation of the pair of lines through the given point x1 y1, each of which forms an isosceles triangle with the bisector of the angle between the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, this is equal to 0. Okay, so we have to find first the equation of bisector of this line, right? We name this relation or this equation, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, this is equal to 0. This is relation number 1. Now bisectors of 1 are given by we know how to find the bisector of this pair of straight line. This is x square minus y square by a minus b. This is the coefficient of x square, and minus this is the coefficient of y square, and this is equal to xy by h. What is h? This is h. Okay, so we write this equation as this is h x square minus a minus b into xy minus h y square, this is equal to 0. Okay, and this is relation number 2. Now to represent the lines y equal to m1x and y equal to m2x. Since this is a pair of line passes through the origin, so we take these two lines are represented by this and this. So we know that m1 plus m2, we get this is minus a minus b by h, because we know that from here if it represents y equal to m1x and y equal to m2x, then we get m1 plus m2, this is equal to 2h by b. Yes, 2h by b. Here we write 2h means minus of a minus b, by b means h, and m1 into m2, this is equal to b by a. This is a by b. This is a, this is b. So this is get minus 1, and we write this relation as relation number 3. Now we have to find out pair of lines passes through x1 y1 which makes isosceles triangle. Both of them makes isosceles triangle with these two lines. Okay, so we first let any line passes through x1 y1. Okay, now any line passes through x1 y1 is given by y minus y1, this is equal to m into x minus x1. This is named as relation number 4. And if we draw a rough sketch of this problem, then if this line represented by these two line must be passes through the origin. So if these two lines represented by such that this and this is the line y equal to m1x, and this is the line y equal to m2x, and here it is given that this line makes isosceles triangle. Okay, so if this line represent the line such as this, then this angle and this angle must be equal, but if it is taken to be theta, then it is taken to be minus theta. Okay, so the slope of this line is given by m1, and this line is given by m, and the angle between the first line and the line 4 is given by angle between y this is equal to m1x and y this is equal to m2x with 4 are equal. Here we write equal, but equal and opposite sign also. So the angle between this line and this line is given by, here slope is m and here slope is m1. So we get m minus m1 by 1 plus m1. This is the angle between 4 and the first of this. And the angle between 4 and second of this is given by m2 minus m by 1 plus m2. Here we write or take in this term first m then m1. Here in this term we take first m2 then m, because if one angle is theta then another angle is minus theta. Okay, and these two must be equal. Now by cross multiplication we get m1 into 1 plus m2. This is given by m2m into 1 plus m1, and this is m plus m square m2 minus m1 minus m1 m2, and the right side is m2 plus m1 m2 minus m, this is minus m square m1, and getting the result as this is m plus m, this is 2m, and this is m square into m2 plus m1, here m1 plus m2 we write, and this is minus m1 minus m2, so this is m1 plus m2 minus m1 m2 minus m1 m2, so this is 2m m1 m2, this is equal to 0. Now we put the value of m1 plus m2 and m1 m2 from 3, so we write 2m plus m square into, this is a minus b by h, this is minus because here is a minus, this is also a minus b by h minus 2m into m1 m2, this means minus 1, so this is plus, this is equal to 0. Okay, and this is a quadratic equation in M, and we get the quadratic equation in simplest form as this is m square into a minus b by h, this is the first term, and minus 4m, this is the second term, minus a minus b by h, this is equal to 0 by taking common minus, and getting the result as a minus b into m square, this is minus 4h into m minus a minus b, this is equal to 0. So we get two value of m, which are m, this is equal to 4h plus minus root under b square, this is 16h square, minus 4ac, 4a means a minus b and c means a minus b, and minus here by 2a, 2 into a minus b, that is given by taking common from 4, from here we get 2h plus minus root under 4h square plus a minus b whole square by a minus b. Cancel out 2 from numerator and denominator. Now if we put two value of m, that is 2h plus this and 2h minus this in equation number 4 one by one, then we get two equation of straight line. As how to find the two straight line? The first straight line is y minus y1, y minus y1 minus the value of m, we first put the value plus, this is 2h plus root under 4h square minus a minus b whole square, this is plus by a minus b, this is the value of m, this is first value into x minus x1. This is equal to 0. And getting another straight line by putting the value minus, we get another straight line. This is y minus y1 minus 2h minus root under 4h square plus a minus b whole square by a minus b into x minus x1. This is equal to 0. We get two straight lines. This is the first straight line and this is the second straight line. These two straight line makes isosceles triangle with the bisector of the given line. Now here we have to find out the pair of lines. So how to find out pair of line? If two straight lines are of the form y this is equal to m1x and y this is equal to m2x, then we know that pair of straight line is given by y minus m1x into y minus m2x. This is equal to 0. Okay, so we find the pair of straight line from this line and this line, which is given by, if we write in this same line, this is one factor and into this is another factor and this is equal to 0. This equation be the pair of straight line, okay, or pair of required straight line. And this straight line can be written in simplest form as a minus b into y minus y1 minus, if we put this value as alpha now, okay, so alpha into x minus x1. This is the first factor, and now second factor is y minus y1 into a minus b, and we put this value is beta. This is beta, right? This is alpha, this is beta. Then finally we put the value of alpha beta in simplest form, x minus x1. This is equal to 0. Now multiplying these two factors, we get a minus b whole square into y minus y1 whole square. Okay, this is the first term, and this is plus alpha beta x minus x1 whole square, this into this, and now get another term, this into this, that is minus beta into a minus b and plus alpha into a minus b into x minus x1 into y minus y1. This is equal to 0. Okay, now a minus b whole square into y minus y1 plus, what is the value of alpha beta? Clearly this is alpha means a plus b and beta means a minus b. So alpha beta is given by a square minus b square, and clearly a square minus b square is nothing but a square means 4h square, b square means 4h square minus a minus b whole square. So this is minus a minus b whole square into x minus x1 whole square, right? And if we take common a minus b from both the terms, we get minus a minus b into alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is nothing but 4h only. This is 4h into x minus x1 y minus y1. This is equal to 0. Okay, so this is our required equation, or we may cancel out from here. This is a minus b into y minus y1 square minus a minus b into x minus x1 square minus 4h into x minus x1 into y minus y1. This is equal to 0. Okay, this is the pair of line or pair of lines passes through x1 y1 and which makes isosceles triangle with the bisector of the given pair of straight line, which are also passes through the origin. Okay, very interesting and important problem of pair of straight line. Thank you for watching.